Remember how Elon Musk once talked about the declining birth rate and how we should take it seriously and make more children? Well, that's totally not gonna happen now. After the Mecha Hitler arc by Grok 4 last week, we got something even more bizarre, to say the least. Elon Musk released a companion feature in the Grok app, which basically a goth anime waifu, and not only she can talk,
My day's just starting to wake up, but it's already brighter knowing you're here.
but pretty much dance, move, flirt, and do everything you expect from a 2D anime character. Legit looks like Amane from Death Note. Though the feature is only available for iOS users with SuperGrok subscription, and from what I can tell, the more you level up, the more comfortable she becomes. I guess Gunnar's gonna go to death. Then there is this rocket raccoon furry called Rudy, well, because he is rude. Since we're already talking about 3D waifus, let me talk about today's sponsor, Ploppin. It's an AI app that can transform any image into an IRL moment as if you were actually there. Since I made this project myself, it works the best on manga panels and anime characters, even Misa from Death Note. Continuing, there is also this male character called Chad, which is still showing coming soon. So they are pretty much going for all the genders out there. Infinite kill death ratio, male, female and femboys included. Fun fact, the XAI servers went offline as soon as Japan woke up. No way this country is gonna survive till 2050s. The day is not far where you will see goth AI waifu Optimus robots roaming around in your neighborhood and capitalists gooning off to the generational wealth they build. Well, nothing sells more than lust, so as a high morale individual, my final verdict is to not buy the $30 per month SuperGrok subscription.